What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino YouTube channel, Green Rhino Academy, actually Green Rhino Project YouTube channel, and Green Rhino Academy. And my Facebook groups, The Cleanup and Green Rhino Academy Facebook group. So yeah, got a lot going on right now. But this video in particular is going to be talking about my school, Green Rhino Academy. So the school's a little different. I think it's just what people need and no fluff. So the thing about this school, all the information I'm giving people in the school, it doesn't have any fluff in it, all right? So a lot of these courses are not going to be as long as you think they might be, or maybe even think they should be. But trust me, guys, you want to know what really matters, okay? I'm not just going to fill up a bunch of space there to make it look like it's more valuable, okay? But trust me, it's all valuable, no matter how short it is. So basically, Green Rhino Academy is generally for cleaning business school online. So everything that I offer are courses online that you can take. So no, there's no place that you can go to, training facility or anything like that at this time, but maybe in the future. But right now, it's all online. And you know what? I do my best to explain it, and I've gotten nothing but positive feedback from it. So I just kind of want to go through what I'm offering right now, because I've offered a few things recently that I haven't talked about or even promoted. And I figure, you know what? Hey, might as well talk about this. So Green Rhino Academy, excuse me, this is the main page. If you want to, I'll put the link to my school below this video, by the way. And it's always underneath my videos, at least the carpet cleaning end of it. So as you go down, you're going to notice I have, right now I'm offering 6 courses. Powerful SEO strategies for business. This is my newest course. This course right here is $199. Let me click on this course. Look how short the curriculum is. Okay, $199 just for that? Guys, you can spend $199 for this, or spend thousands of dollars year after year after year for somebody to do this for you. So the first and only lecture in this course is right here, number 1. It's 50 minutes, almost an hour long, crammed with powerful stuff that you can do on your own. If you already have a website, you can start implement this on your website and start to get your website to move up the organic listings and get on the first page. Okay, all my websites are on the first page. If not to the first, if not number 1, right around number 1 on each service, right? So tile cleaning, I'm number 1, number 2. Carpet cleaning, I fight for that number 1 spot. Hardwood floor cleaning, I'm dominating the page all through these techniques, okay? I teach you how to implement strategies on your website. I teach you SEO stuff that you need to do in your website. So GoDaddy is a platform that I recommend, and that's where I show it, but you can actually do it on any website, okay? These strategies, you just got to know where to add this stuff in your, have control of your website, so you can get in there and just do some word changing and stuff like that, adding information and stuff. So GoDaddy, I highly recommend, guys, because GoDaddy is truly, probably, I think, the best platform out there. You have Wix, you have these other things that looks professional and has the tools in the palm of your hands to where it's easy to deal with. So on top of website stuff, I teach you social media stuff, backlinks, valuable ones. I teach you things that you could do to get your videos to show up, and how you can interlink everything together, which also makes your website more powerful. And man, it's great stuff, guys, and this is what I've done, and that's proof is in the pudding. Type in carpet cleaning passerolles. Type in tile cleaning passerolles. Type in hardwood floor cleaning passerolles. All right, and if you don't believe me, proof is in the pudding. Okay, so that's the SEO stuff. But say you don't have a website yet. Okay, well, I just added a couple bonuses in here. how to build a website, easy and professional. I teach you how to do it. So yes, GoDaddy is the platform, but I teach you how to get in there and build it, and how to actually build your website, make it look professional. And this next one, content creator tool, makes things so easy. So if you're worried about not knowing what to put in there, and professional stuff to say, to fill up those pages in your website. Say if you want to build a page in your website for rug cleaning, well, this can help you with all the stuff to populate it up there, which is also going to help you your SEO for Google to find you or any other search engine. So short, but trust me, guys, it's going to save you thousands and thousands and thousands. I had another business for years before I started a carpet cleaning business, selling motorcycle fairings and stuff like that. And I paid another company to do all this stuff for me. And it was awful. And then I hired a company to transition my website over to another platform, and ended up destroying everything that I paid for, because I trusted other people to take care of this. Later on, now that I know it was a mistake doing either one of those things. Okay? So the thing about hiring, and another thing, guys, is if you're going to be building a website and you're going to hire somebody to do it, and they're going to do it under their platform, they're a small business or something like that, don't do it. Because if they go out of business, you go out of business. You don't want to be riding somebody's coattail like that. Your future's riding on their success. GoDaddy's huge. It ain't going anywhere. If it does go anywhere, it'll change business owners, right? But it's always going to be GoDaddy, okay? Just like Amazon. Ain't going nowhere. So you don't have to worry about that. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I'm talking about my courses, yeah, it helps me. But if I would have found this when I first started, I'd be doing even way better than I am. Because it took me that 3 years to figure all this out. Man, I'd have been fast-tracked. So I'm doing well now. I can imagine. Anyway, guys, if you like this one, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.